Hello everyone. In today's video we will see how to install Pega Infinity 23 in our local machine. So before we get started, we just need to download three softwares prior to Pega Infinity 23. So those are OpenJDK 11 and Tomcat version 9, and then we can also install PostgreSQL 12. So at last we can download our Pega Infinity 23 and then we can start our setup. Okay, let's start with installing the OpenJDK 11. I have been installed all the softwares required for this Pega installation, so I'm just skipping the installation part. So you can install that software by double clicking, and then you can proceed with further instructions. Once OpenJDK 11 is installed, just go and mention that environment variables, Java path in the environment variables. So once OpenJDK is downloaded, you can see that OpenJDK downloaded path in that local C file system, and from there you can copy that file path as mentioned in the video, and then you can go and set up in the environment variables. So by setting a Java underscore home, and then you can set up that path for that where your OpenJDK has been 11 has been installed. Okay, so once OpenJDK has been installed, you can start installing a PostgreSQL. So you can follow the instruction on the wizard given by the PostgreSQL. So you can, once you have been installed, so we can proceed further. Once you have been installed your PostgreSQL, you can able to see pgadmin4 from the start menu. So just open that pgadmin4 from the start menu. So we just need to create a database for our Pega. So we can use pgadmin4 in order to access our PostgreSQL database. Here you need to specify your password which has been given while installing a PostgreSQL software. So once you entered your password, we can able to see the list of database for that PostgreSQL. So for our Pega new installation, we will create our new Pega database for our installation purpose. So we just need to name our Pega database, and here in my case I will be name as Pega Infinity, and then we just, once it has been created, just hint save. So once database has been created, we just need to create a schema for our Pega database. So we just create Pega rules and Pega data for our Pega installation. Once schema is created, we just need to assign permissions for our schema. Now we need to give an entire permission for the database to alter or modify the database, plus we just need to specify the parameters in order to access the schemas. Once PostgreSQL database has been set up, we just need to install Tomcat by following the instruction provided by the wizard. So for now I will skip that part. You can install it, the Tomcat, on your own way. So we will go straight away to install Pega Infinity 23 from the Pega website. So for that you just need to access community.pega.com, and then you just need to go and click on that download Pega software, and make sure that you have been logged in with your company email address. Then only we can able to see our Pega Infinity 23 software. So once you have been access the Pega download page, you can install you can download the Pega platform Infinity 23 from the download section. Once Pega is downloaded, extract the zip file. Now we just need to go and double click on that PRPC setup. So once we are hitted, double click on PRPC setup, it will ask you for installation or upgradation. In our case it will be installation, so we'll proceed further. And we can also select PostgreSQL as our data type, database. So we just need to select our JDBC driver for our PostgreSQL. So I will give you the description file in our description. And we just need to like mention our database which has been created in a PostgreSQL. So once you have been entered your database name, just enter the username and password for the PostgreSQL database which has been provided while installing the PostgreSQL database. And here we just need to mention our Pega schemas which has been created in the database. So in our case it was a Pega rules and Pega data. So once we have been entered, we just try to establish a connectivity from Pega to database. For that, just click test connection. It will show you everything is success and Pega schema and Pega rules and Pega data has been available. So once it is available, just proceed further as shown in the video. Here we need to specify our default Pega password, so which is username is administrator@pega.com, and we need to provide the password which Pega should recognize and make you to log in into a Pega environment. So once you are once you are entered your default password which is installed, so you can specify any other password whatever you are want. So make sure that you are remember your password which has been entered over here. So and you can start to proceed further. So in my case I have been already installed. I am stopping this installation. Once Pega installation is completed, navigate to your Tomcat folder, and then we just need to access context.xml, and we need to edit that context.xml, and we need to paste this code inside the context.xml. So here we can able to see we just need to enter our Pega database name which has been created for the Pega installation. In our case it is a Pega infinity, and then we just need to provide Pega a username and PostgreSQL username and password. So in my case it was Postgres for both username and password, and then we just need to enter our Pega schemas which has been created in the PostgreSQL database. So in my case it was Pega rules and Pega data. So once all the configurations are done inside the context.xml, just save the file. And now we will edit Tomcat uses XML, and we will place one line of the code in that file, and we just specifying that default username and password for the Tomcat users is admin, and we are giving the roles for that. We need to make sure that there should not be PR web folder inside Tomcat web apps folder, and we also ensure that there should not be no content inside the temp folder inside the Tomcat, and if there is any Kafka folders, you can delete all those files from that Tomcat folder. Now we need to deploy our Pega prweb.var file inside Tomcat. So for that, just go for your Pega installation folder where you will see something called archive. You can copy that prweb.var, and then you can navigate to Tomcat folder inside web app, and then you can paste it your prweb.var inside that Tomcat folder. So now we have been pasted our prweb.var from Pega installation file to Tomcat. So we will try to start the Tomcat server, and we just see whether prweb.var file is getting deployed into Tomcat or not. We also need to place our PostgreSQL JDBC driver jar file inside our Tomcat lib folder. So once we are placed, we can start our Tomcat server, and we will observe the what's happening. Once Tomcat is started, try to access localhost 8080 port from your browser, and then click on manage apps. You just need to enter admin as a username and password as admin, and make sure that you are seeing prweb is in up mode, which is in running mode, which will be indicated as true. So for the first time, you may see that even though prweb is running, if you try to accept the access the prweb URL, you can't able to you will not get that. You may get it into 503 server error. So for that, we just need to include one more piece of the code inside our Tomcat folder. So for that, go to your Tomcat folder, and then search for your prconfig.xml, or else directly go inside a pr web, and then we can go into web apps, and then we can go into our pr web folder, and then we can go inside web inf folder, and then you can able to see prconfig.xml. So there you can edit that file, and then you can place the line which has been mentioned in this video. And once it has been done, stop your Tomcat server, and we need to specify JVM parameters for our Tomcat. So for that, go inside Tomcat folder, and then Bing, and then you just need to go for Tomcat. You just need to double click on Tomcat 9W. So there, just navigate to the Java tab, and then just paste the JVM parameters which has been showed in this video. And you just need to specify, you just need to alter few data. So for the first two lines where your Tomcat has been installed, just paste that path over there. And we also need to specify our identification, so which will be available by going to about PC from the search bar. So there you will see that name of that PC. There you can copy from there, and you can paste it in the identification row. So once it has been done, make sure that you have been added all the nodes which has been specified in the video, like a background processing node, stream node, web user node, and search node. So once everything is done, just paste all this content inside the JVM parameters. And then one more thing also we just need to do is we just need to give memory for our JVM parameters. So you can in my machine is 8 GB RAM, so I'm just giving 4 GB RAM for that memory for that JVM. So you can also give your memory based on your capacity of your PC. So once it has been done, click OK, and then we can proceed further. Once everything is done, now it's time to access Pega. For that, you need to open your browser and enter localhost:8080/prweb and hit enter. Now you should able to see Pega login page over there. That's it guys for this video. If you like this video, hit the like button. You can also share this video to your friends, and then feel free to provide your suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Vignesh signing off.